You've planned everything perfectly, but the line at check-in just keeps growing? You've nailed the agenda, your team's in place, the venue is buzzing, then chaos hits at check-in. QR codes don't load, badges jam, guests get frustrated. That first impression? Gone. All that work, undone at the front door. Get the full breakdown in our guide. Should you invest in facial recognition for your event? The link is in the description. So, what is facial recognition in events? It's simpler than you think. During registration, attendees upload a photo. On event day, they just walk up to a check-in kiosk. No codes, no scanning, no lines. The system recognizes their face instantly, checks them in, and boom, they're in. It's seamless, secure, and faster than any traditional method. This is why more organizers are turning to facial recognition. But the big question is it worth the investment? Or should you invest in facial recognition for your event? Here's the truth. Facial recognition isn't the expensive, complicated tech it used to be. You can start small, use gear you already own, and only pay for what you need. It's fast, secure, and makes your check-in feel effortless. Facial recognition doesn't just modernize check-in, it completely redefines it. Fewer lines, fewer staff, more happy attendees. It's not just an upgrade, it's a smoother start for your event. For a detailed breakdown of real costs, use cases, and whether it fits your event, check out our full guide, Should you invest in facial recognition for your event? The link is in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe for more modern event strategies.